Hey, what's going on, guys? Today, it's not an install, but I was going through my old memory card. I found it. I was looking for it, and I found a video I had done on the install on the front lip, which is 0607 WRX STI lip. I found that install on the memory card. I also found the install on the window visors, and I found an install on, I think it was some decals or something like that. So I'm gonna get those videos, upload them so y'all can see them. And good news is I ordered my bags. Yes, bags. I'm gonna bag the Sentra, but they're not gonna get shipped or delivered till the second week of March. So that's the downside. But hopefully the days go by fast and whatnot. Actually, I just ordered the bags, not the full air struts. I'm gonna convert the coils I have. I'm just gonna convert them to bags, and then my airlift 3P management system is on the way also. So I'm very stoked, guys. I'm very stoked. We're soon gonna be on bags. But just enjoy this video that I had done like last year in around October, I believe. But enjoy it. Let me know. I'll be back to this spot right now. What's going on, YouTube? Back again. Car stock. I had taken off everything. I was gonna go to the dealer and trade it in for the Turbo edition, but they say I owe too much money to trade it in, so I have to wait. So decided, since everything's off, I'll make a little video of how to put the STI front lip on there. So I'll give you the process. I'm actually gonna take off the bumper, make it easier, and I'll let you know. Alright, the bumper's off. I only had one screw here, 10mm, and on the other side the same way, and then the rest are just clips, or those little rivets, whatever they're called. Yeah, I'm just gonna take them all off. Now get ready to install the STI lip. So 0607 STI lip. You gotta do a little modification to put it on, but nothing big. So this is the process so far. I got some C clamps to hold it in place so that it would move around. Another one here. So I'm going bolt here. I mean, screw here, screw here, screw here. I'm just gonna go along. The only issue you have is here. So looking at it from upside down, you're gonna have a gap. But the solution for that, I figured either grab like a piece of cardboard or a thin piece of wood, thinnest you can find or get. Put it like right here and paint it black. So on that side, I'll show you real quick. So let's say that's painted black. We're gonna put it here, and then you won't able to see it if you paint it black. So just gotta improvise, but I think it will turn out good. All right, there she is, the lip on. That was the issue I was talking about, the little gap. So you just grab a cardboard, or I think I'm gonna just do a piece of plastic and paint it black, and then you're gonna stick it back here like if nothing, a gap wasn't there. So you're not gonna be able to notice unless you pay real good attention. So I'm gonna do that. See how it looks. Screws all over. Took my grill off because it was better to work without it. So we are now back in real time. Like I said, that was a video that I found months ago, no, last year. Hopefully you enjoyed it. For y'all guys that want to get a front lip, that was the 0607 STI lip, WRX STI lip. But I'll keep up more, loading up more videos for you guys. Let me know what y'all think so far. If y'all enjoyed the video, like it, subscribe, and share it.